All right, back in the kayak again. Gonna be going for really whatever bites today. It looks like the weeds have come up a lot since the last time I was out, so that most likely means that the fish are gonna be pushing a little bit deeper now once the weeds start coming up to the surface up shallow like this. All right. Moved out to like 10 feet here. Gonna try crank for a little bit. See if anything will bite that. Having some good luck on this the other day. Oh, no way. Got a good fish on here. Hey, whoa! Woo! He's trying to jump into the boat. Come on, dude. That only took a singular cast. Like, really little, but fun little fish to catch. Cool. Got one. Walleye. Yeah, it's a decent little guy. It's a good little fish, chunky. See ya. Yes. Another walleye. A lot smaller, but that's probably the same length, but just a bit skinnier. Holy crap, he gulped that thing. Go, little guy. Nice. Alright. Just tie on a little curly tail Mr. Twister. That thing pretty much catches every single kind of fish that swims. I mean, it catches catfish, bass, pike, walleye, buffalo, trout, salmon maybe. If I threw it at salmon, it would probably get bit. Carp might eat it, just probably not really. Am I forgetting anything? Crappie, rock bass, mean-mouthed bat, bruh. I mean, it got bit right there. I felt a little tap. I was like, what is that? Well, what was I saying? Lucky for me, I brought a couple extras. And by that, I literally mean I only have 2 extra. Oh, I also forgot white bass, perch, muskie, bowfin, gar, brook trout, lake trout. Yeah, this lure will catch pretty much everything. Yeah, walleye probably. Yep. Did I mention walleye when I said that these catch fish? I'm not sure. Oh, little guy. See ya. Yeah. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Yep, it's a pike. Gotcha. Now I gotcha. Thanks for the fight, little dude. A little tiny bit bigger than the last one, but woo! Go. That was pretty sick. Oh, there's the smallie. That's a good one. Whoa. Just dropped it right down there. That's a chunk. That is a nice smallmouth right there. Guy out. That's a tank. For sure. Epic bite too. Oh my goodness. It's the smallest walleye in existence. Check that out. That's basically a perch at that point. Yep. Picked one up right near the kayak. Well, it might stay here for a minute, but I don't know if it's such a great sign of staying here because it's he's tiny, but he's still a fish. Oh, little dude. See ya. There we go. It's been a minute. They're all over to the left side over here. Not bad. Not a keeper. I wish they would lower this size limit in this lake because there's so many of these sort of 12 to 14 inch fish. Alright, I think that's gonna do it here. I've been out all day. Caught some decent fish. A lot of sort of smaller walleye, but they're still pretty fun when big fish won't bite. So yeah, that was pretty good. Good number of fish. And I just want to get off the lake before there's too many pleasure boaters, and there's just going to be a ton of action out here as it gets later into the day. So I'm just going to head in now. And thank you for watching today's video.